Understanding full sun annuals, a guide to gardening terms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore an interesting phrase often used in gardening, full sun annuals. Whether you're a gardening enthusiast or just curious about English language phrases, this video is for you. Let's dive into what this phrase means and why it's important for gardeners and plant lovers. Full sun annuals is a term that combines two important gardening concepts, full sun and annuals. Let's break down each part to understand the meaning better. Full sun refers to plants that need a lot of sunlight to grow well. In gardening terms, this usually means the plant should receive at least 6 hours of direct sunlight every day. This requirement is crucial for the plant's health, growth, and flowering. Annuals. On the other hand, annuals are plants that complete their life cycle in 1 year. This means they sprout, grow, flower, produce seeds, and die all within a single growing season. Each year, these plants need to be replanted, offering gardeners a chance to refresh their gardens with new flowers and designs. Understanding full sun annuals is essential for gardeners. This knowledge helps in choosing the right plant. Not all plants thrive in the same conditions. Knowing which plants are full sun annuals helps gardeners choose plants that are suitable for sunny spots in their gardens. Garden planning. This term also assists in planning garden layouts. Gardeners can ensure that full sun annuals are placed in the garden's sunniest spots, maximizing the health and beauty of these plants. Seasonal changes. Since these plants are annuals, they offer flexibility in garden design. Gardeners can experiment with different plants each year, keeping their gardens dynamic and visually interesting. To give you a better idea, here are some common full sun annuals. Marigolds. Vibrant and easy to grow, marigolds are a popular choice. Petunias. Known for their colorful blooms, petunias are a staple in sunny gardens. Zinnias. With their bright daisy-like flowers, zinnias add a cheerful touch. And that's a wrap on full sun annuals. We hope this video has shed some light on this gardening term and its significance in garden planning and plant care. If you're planning your garden or just love learning new phrases, remember, the right knowledge can make all the difference. Happy gardening, and see you in the next video.